Hello again. Now that you've already created and signed up for a Blogger account, we're going to talk about how you can edit your blog and add some personal touches. Uh, when we last left, we were on this screen, but if you're just signing into Google for the first time again, sign into Google and then you go to the More button and click on Blogger. And wait patiently. If you'll excuse me for a second, I'm going to sneeze. Oh, jeez. Okay, so down here. Again, this is my dashboard for my blog. If I want to edit it, I can come over here to this button and click on the little arrow, and you can edit any of these things: posts, pages, comments, Google Plus, stats, earnings, layout, template, and settings. The ones that you would want to focus on if you're going to edit the look and feel of your blog would be layout, template, and settings. And it's as simple as clicking on any one of those things, and then Google will present with you in wide variety of things that you can use to edit. So here you could just drag and drop the way that your blog looks in terms of how it's arranged layout wise. Where does your title appear? Where does these different settings appear? If you want to add a gadget to your blog, you click on Add a Gadget. So you can just experiment with this. It's your heart's desire. To edit the template, you can come here, scroll down, click on any of these different settings. Let's say you want to change it. You would just click on any of these different picture windows and then apply it to blog or customize. And there you can edit the different colors and what appears on your blog. And then finally, your settings. Settings are actually going to be something that you do want to change. To edit your settings, you just click on settings and then it gives you a variety of options. Anybody can read your blog. You're going to want to make sure you're set to that. If you want to add people who can search on your blog, you can, but that's not really something that's necessary. You are going to want to click on posts and comments though, um, and then scroll down to comments. Who can comment? You're going to want to click on anyone. Okay, so make sure you change your comments from registered user to anyone. And then comment moderation, never. And then you save your settings. And those are some simple things that you can do to edit your blog, the look and the feel. But we're also going to learn something new as well, how to create some or add some new things to our posts. To add anything new to your post, again, I'm just posting something for my blog. Let's say I want to make something bold. I want to edit the text. I can just do that. Click bold, italicized, underline. You can edit the text up here. You can change the format of the text. You can make it bigger. If you want to make it a heading, you can make it smaller. Over here, you can change the font. So you have a lot of different options as far as your text editing goes. To add, or you can change the color up here too. To add a link to a website, you simply type in something like "click here," or maybe something like "I went to this website to enjoy news." To create a link, you don't want to just copy and paste the big long URL because that looks quite foolish. So to create a link, you highlight the text that you want to be a link. You click on the link button. You have it linked to a web address. You can test this link. I'm always a big fan of opening this link in a new window. That way they don't navigate away from your page and have to click on the back button. Then you click OK. And there your link appears. Again, same thing down here. Click on this website to enjoy news. Add a link. News.com. I don't even know if that's a real thing. Open in a new window. Okay. And we're good to go. So that's links. To add a picture or to upload a picture is a little bit more of a challenge. You would want to click on this insert image button and then upload from your computer. So if you haven't already, you would need to save an image to your desktop, and then you would click Browse. go to your desktop or wherever you save your pictures that you want to use, and then you would just simply find that picture. I don't have one here right now to show you, at least I don't think. Nope. You would find that picture and then click open. I'm going to click cancel because I don't want to use it, or I'm not doing anything. But that's how you would upload a picture. To upload a movie, again, you simply click here. You can upload from YouTube. You can upload from your computer. You can upload from your phone if your phone's plugged in. To upload from YouTube, there's two different ways. You could just search for your movie here. Sama. Alright, so here's how to use commas in English writing. Great. That's what I want to use. So I click on it, I click select, and here your movie appears. Another way to find a movie or to put in a movie from YouTube would be to go to YouTube and then search for any old movie that you want. ESPN 60 Robert Griffin III. Definitely something that I'm interested in. So let's say I want to put this movie in my blog. It'd be better if it was ESPN 60 Ryan Tannehill. So you would click on share. You would go to embed. And then you would copy this text down here. It's already highlighted for you. So I'm going to press Control C, or you could left click and click on copy. You go back to your blog site, and then if you want to do it this way, you would click on HTML. Now we're editing actual web code. So you go to the bottom of the HTML text, you press enter a couple times, and then you paste. Then you switch back to compose, and you will see your YouTube video there. So that's another way to edit or add a YouTube video. These things down here are alignment, your text to the left, to the middle, to the right, numbers, bullets, and as always, when you get finished or when you're finished creating your post, you click on the check spelling button. So there it is. That's how to edit your blog and add movies, videos, and edit the text. What I want you to do, your first assignment, in your first blog post, is going to be to compose a brief little summary of your favorite moment as a human being. It can be as simple as 3 sentences. We're not looking for anything very special here. But within that, I want you to use the link button to link something in your text to a different website. I want you to add a photo and add a YouTube video. Again, make sure the photos and videos are quasi-school appropriate because this is something that's in the public domain and is representative of your student self. The last step, as always, is to click on the publish button. And if you want to, I'm not going to share on Google+. Cancel. And then if you want to check out what your blog looks like, you just go to View Blog. Make sure everything is on the up and up. Wow. Look at that. And again, this is something that you can see when I search for that YouTube video through the video button. It looks like this. When I embed the YouTube video, it looks like this. It's a little more classy, so that's something that you want to take into consideration too. So again, create a new post, summarize your favorite life story in 3 sentences, link some of that text to a different website, and then add a YouTube video and a picture. So there you go. Peace.